Hello, welcome to the TV Room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. I'm going to turn on the 64, and it has the RetroRewind.ca. I've got the cartridge, the 4-in-1 diagnostic cartridge in here, and the test is the 586220++, and it's going to run through and see what it finds. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the harness, because I still can't find the bin that I took to the World of Commodore. That I don't know what happened. I don't know if I don't know. I don't like to think that somebody ran off with it. But anyway, this too is doing important testing. It is. And don't worry that things come up bad. The harness is not attached. And here comes the rumble. 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 So yeah, I do find that running all three of the diagnostic tests is a good thing. I think what I'm going to do now, there's a new thing in town, which is the DesTestMAX from RetroRewind.ca. And I'm going to pop that in there and turn it on. And it just, you know what, it's good to just run all these things. They all do wonderful things. And it's just good to make sure that everything seems to be just as you know what I'm going to say. Just tickety-boo. It is good. So don't worry, the screen does this. And if there's any trouble, it will report it. And this is a good one, especially for RAM things, because it really, actually, I don't know how he does it, but see, the border is supposed to be one color. But if there is trouble with RAM, the border is in different colors, and that color is the error message that tells you what's wrong. Kind of cool. It is kind of cool. So from what I can tell, the 64 is quite dandy. This is not usually what happens. It is not, but this one is. So I'll have to send a message to the fellow I got it from. Because he was quite nice. Look, if it doesn't work, I'll give you the money back. And I said, look, I tinker on them. You know, I'll see what's what. But I had no idea it would be this perfect, except, of course, now that I've broken some of the case screws. And I don't see that I should glue them or anything. I'll just be more careful when yanking on the cartridge port. I don't know how that got a little bit down. It's funny, these tight tolerances. Okay, so this is working, that's working, life is good. So I guess what I should do in the next video, perhaps, is to check out Zone Ranger and this joystick. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.